What up? So it's been a while. I came to make this video for well, it's the end of the year. And it's well, technically right now it's December 28th. The reason I'm sharing this screen right here is because I made this video last year um on December 31st, New Year's Eve, going into the new year, was setting up all my charts with my new yearly lines and months and quarters and all of those, because all of those new candles will open up on the following trading day after the new year. Um excuse me. And when I was looking at it, I, I get on here and I'm like, I remember that we had a 3-1 inside candle all year of 2023, right? And I said, if we break the high of this inside candle, 2-2 continuation, we are gone, right? The market is gonna, it's gonna be pretty bullish, right? I said, oh, we can end up opening inside and trade it inside all year. Not saying you can't get no trades on it or different things like that, but it just would have been inside. And if I don't know if you remember 2023 wasn't a bad year, just was a little shaky, right? The beginning of the year was shaky, not a lot of range of movements, a lot of weird days in 2023. And 2024, I mean, the market just went through the roof. And I'm gonna show you that soon. But the reason I'm talking about this is because look at that three hammer right there, right on that chart. Right. Look at that three hammer. Boom. Um, so when I'm looking at this, this is what I'm talking about, right? It's 3-1. If you know the strat, obviously I'm slick the trader. You got trade the strat. Um, yeah, we had a 3-1. So I said, listen, the market it explode, boom, it's gonna explode off this 3-1. If it breaks those highs, you can see I had the lines marked and the low marked, right? If it go either direction or open. And throughout the year, boom, we could come down. So I'm on a 12-month chart or whatever. So then I go and look at my 12-month chart for this year, right? So as you can see, I just want you to notice this, right? Obviously that there. And then I'm gonna go and switch to my desktop. Pause. All right, you can get out of here. So I'm gonna switch to this, right? Cool. So now we on the 12-month. And it's a 3-2-2, right? A 3-2-2 continuation. And I'm like, for the life of me, I just can't figure out why. First, and I don't have extended hours on, nothing like that, right? Because the strat doesn't really use that, right? And I'm like, what? Like, I just can't figure out. I don't remember us, and I don't believe we did breaking this high. I know we didn't because I went and looked at the date of this video, and it's down at the bottom, and it said the 31st, which means we had no more trading days left in that year. Um, but anyway, I mean, it says a 3-2-2, so I think TradingView got it wrong. But either way, this is an inside candle on the market close of last year, right? This Tuesday the 3rd, it opened up, boom. And as you can see, I mean, we went, let me just get a price range of what SPY went. 565.16, the low, and a high of, actually, I ain't even got to use this, a high of 607.03. So was that five? What was that again? Let's just do the math of how much SPY moved. Change the color so I make sure I know what I'm looking at. 466.20. We went down to and ended up at 600 plus. I'm just trying to make sure I got a color that I know it's for sure. Yeah, four. It's confusing me. I want to make sure I got this right. Look, I do this raw and uncut, so can't nobody say nothing. All right, 460.52. All right, sorry about that. 460.52 is the low of the year, right? 460. Well, let's go 607. I ain't no mathematician, so 60, 52. So we moved $146.54 in a year to the upside, right? I mean, that's some good profit. Um, but yeah, so I mean, I don't know what the deal is with this 3-2, but I remember market closed January 31st. We was at 3-1. I knew the whole year was inside. Even before Rob passed away, he talked about it like this year stays inside the whole nine. Um, So yeah, I don't know what to say, but either way, listen, we can look at it two ways. It did a 3-1-2 and exploded like I thought it was, and I mean went to the highs, or we can look at it as a 3-2-2 continuation. And either way, we broke over this high, which was we were looking for 471.50, right? So we broke over 471.50 and looking at the power of the strat, and we hit 607.3. This is a yearly broad information I got on here, and I'm still looking at like 640 something, maybe even higher. I mean, with this new candle opening up, maybe somewhere in the 700s in this year if all goes well and we looking bullish all the way through, right? Somewhere in that 700, 715 range. That's all I really came on to say. Big plans for the new year, more trading. Um, we're gonna manage our risks. We are going to trade with proper size, using stop losses, taking profit, uh, locking in, studying more. We do all of those things we may have messed up on. To end the year, I'm green, right? Uh, one of my first profitable years, maybe second, right? Because I only been at this like 3 years, maybe four. Not really sure anymore. But so I'm profitable again this year. I'm green. Um, looking back at some of my trees and different things like that. Um, yeah, like I said, I'm just doing this video like just sitting in my room, just off top of the dome. I'm just rambling. So enjoy. But we talking about trading here. Like I said, the strat still works for me. Sometimes I've used ICT for my trading. I'm trying to incorporate that more. I'm trying to bring more content. I'm trying to bring better content. Maybe I'll start scripting out, writing things down, so I'm just not the whole time. Um, so we just gonna be better in 2025. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the whole plan. If you're struggling, hit me up. I got a course. I'm gonna keep revamping that course and making it add more stuff. So once you pay the 30 something dollars for it, I continue to add stuff and you get an alert when I add stuff. I'm still doing one-on-ones. So hit me up. You can get all my information out of the description or, just about me section and YouTube. Um, but yeah, I'm just ready to kill the new year. When market opens on I believe it's the second, the third, no, the fifth, maybe, or the sixth. Take your time, let the candles open. Let this yearly candle open, the month, the quarter, the 6 month, the weekly, um, the hour. Let those the daily, let those candles open up, uncouple, and just start the year off right. Let's start the year off green. let's work a little harder on becoming better traders and becoming professionals at this, just in our own right? Because what really is a professional trader if you haven't took the test, right? But no, like let's just be great this year. I'm gonna try to be more in the Telegram a little more this year, and yeah, I mean, I'm just here to help. Um, Taking on some new hobbies. One of the hobbies is DJing, so that's also something that will keep me from over trading because I want to get done trading and get to my new hobby. So let's add some new hobbies to our regiment this year. You know what I mean? So you can get away from the charts after you're done trading. It'll keep you from over trading. And so you once you're green, stay green. Take one or two trades. If you're green, you're green. If you're red, you're red. Walk away, come back another day, review your trades, keep it moving. Let's get back in the gym this year. Let's just do a lot of things better this year that we didn't do last year, even though we did progress last year as a group, as a whole, and as a strat trading community. Uh, what else? I don't know. I may do another video like this on the 31st, but I just wanted to come and talk about TradingView and this SPY candle. Um, that was bothering me a little bit, but um, I'm gonna say Sunday night, going to start marking your highs and your lows like I marked this at the beginning of the year last year. So what I'll do is, since I'm here, I'll just move it up. So we're looking for a break over that, to maybe continue into more highs and see. So now just mark your levels, and you can lock it and keep it there. So if you delete other things, it'll stay. And I like to mark my level on SPY, QQQ, futures, stuff like that. Just so I Yeah, just so I, have it marked and know where we at, and then just continue. Clean up your charts. If you got a bunch of stuff on your charts right now, like take the time, clean up your charts. It's a new year. Clean up some things, maybe change your candle colors and your background just to make things more comfortable. If you ain't got a good, comfortable trading space, maybe it's time to add that, right? Add a comfortable trading space. Maybe get a new chair, maybe a bigger monitor, maybe add a monitor. Um, add some RBG, some lights, some aromatherapy. Because let's just do more things to make you more comfortable with trading. Let's just fix the things that gave you problems all 2024, even though you may have progressed as a trader. Let's fix those things. So in 2025, they won't be an issue. 2026, they won't be an issue. And yeah, I mean, because we in this trading thing for life, right? And we strategize for life. And no matter what other strategies you learn, um, like I said, this strat has made me the most profitable since I've learned it. Shouts out to Rob Smith. So yeah, but that was it. That was my main thing, was just talking about this candle right here that just didn't make sense to me because it's 322 continuation, and it's like I said, it's a where's my screen? It's a 312. A 3-1 on here, which went 3-1-2. So I'm just not understanding what happened. My only other thing I can think of is I added real-time data, right? TradingView come with real-time data, but you can pay extra couple dollars to get it's like a couple second delay. It's not nothing that affects you really much, right? But like when you pay for it, it gives you quick, real time, like no less than a second delay compared to the 2 or 3 second delay that you don't really notice, that comes with TradingView. So maybe that's what changed it. I don't know, but yeah, whatever. I mean, it did what it was supposed to do. If you're gonna watch this video, the video is called "The End of the Year 2023 3-1 Holy Grail Setup." Where do we go from here? So go watch that video. I'll try to pin it somewhere. I ain't the best YouTuber ever, but I don't want to make this video too long. We coming up on 20 seconds. It's Slick the Trader. I am out.